Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will discover why 99% of persons got this algebraic expression wrong, and you will also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS or BODMAS or BIDMAS. Now let's have a solution. Now we have 8 minus 8 multiplied by 8 minus 8. Now right here, some persons will start this in this order. 8 minus 8, that gives 0, multiplied by 8 minus 8. Then have a 0, multiplied by 8 minus 8, that gives 0. And right here, 0 times 0, that will give 0. But this answer is wrong. Then as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Never you make this kind of mistake in simplifying this. Now, to simplify this correctly, we are going to have this 8 minus 8 multiplied by 8 minus 8. Now, we are going to apply this order of operation here we call PEMDAS, or you can use BIDMAS or BODMAS as well, both to give you the correct answer as long as you apply them correctly. Now from this order of operation, we have here first parentheses, and there is no parentheses here. We have exponents, no exponents here. We have multiplication, we have division, no division here, no addition, and we have subtraction. When as such, following this order of operation, we are going to consider multiplication first, subtraction, because multiplication follows before subtraction. Then right here, we are going to consider this, and we have here 8. 8 multiplied by 8, that to give us, here we have minus, that to give us 64 minus 8. Then lastly, we consider subtraction. Then right here, we can carry out the subtraction in either way. We can have here 8 minus 64, then minus 8. That's to give us the same answer. And we can also have here minus 64 minus 8. That to give us the same answer. Therefore, let's have this. We have 8 minus 64 minus 8, that to give us minus 72. Then lastly, 8 minus 72, that to give us minus 64. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos from this channel. See you in the next video.